on, in.
One more person. Who is it? I'm this guy? Come here. 자신 있게?
아니 나 이거 아니면 안 해.
Alright.
아니 몰라 이제.
Alright, show me your hand.
아니 잘못하는 거.
Okay. Good. Alright. Today, there's one thing I want you to remember.
학생들 이렇게.
Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. You need to look at your feet. Everybody thinks one hand, two hands. Okay. But I want you to focus on your feet. Alright? Where is your power? Okay. Yes, your power is in your legs. So many people are like, ah. No. Today we're going to focus on shooting. There are two styles. Okay? There's two styles. One is this way. One is this way. Okay? Your power. If you're right-handed, where is your power? Right leg. When you're shooting a layup with your right hand, where is your power? Left leg. Okay. Left leg layup. Right leg shot. Okay. Is there anybody left hand? Who is left hand? Left hand. Okay. So left hand, left leg. All right. So when you shoot, you lean on your right foot. You shoot. Okay? When you get further and further away, you can push the ball, more power, right foot. Okay? So, what do I do? Not good. What did I do?
You didn't jump.
What did I do?
Not use a leg.
I did not use my leg. I was just like, let's just throw it up there. You want to get down, you want to get low. Okay, we go this way. I lean. Was that good or bad?
Bad.
What did I do?
You didn't use your leg.
Use my leg. Which leg?
Right leg.
Which leg did I use?
Left leg.
I used my left leg. Am I right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed.
Right-handed. Oh, good. All right, let's see. All right. Right hand. I'm going to lean forward. Right leg. Good.
Yeah.
Right foot. Right hand. Perfect. All right. Everybody, line up right here one time. Show me one time. Okay. It's okay. One hand, two hands. That's it. One hand, two hands. It's okay. I am looking at your feet. Walk up. 3-point line, 3-point line. Back up, back up, back. This way, sorry, this way. All right. You will start at the 3-point line. You will dribble. If you are right-handed, we say left, right, shoot. Okay? Left, right, shoot. Left, right, shoot. If you are left-handed,
저 표정 안 해줄 거예요. 이해하세요. 엄마가 얼마 학원 얼마나 많이 보냈는데요. 네, 나 모르겠어 나는.
if you are left-handed, right, left, shoot. Right, left, shoot. Left hand. Left, right, shoot. Right hand. Okay? Power, 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 power. All right, here we go. Dribble. Good.
왼발, 오른발.
Yeah. Hold on, let's make this easy. Maybe help me, Jason. Again, I want to hear you say left, right, shoot.
Yeah, right.
Everybody say left, right, shoot.
왼손잡이는 오른발
Left,
왼발이야.
right, shoot. Okay, who is left-handed? There's two left-handed. So you will say right, left, shoot. Let me hear it. Right, left, shoot. I want to hear it. So dribble, ready? Go. Oh, no. Do it again, do it
내가
again.
왼쪽 하겠잖아.
So dribble, 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 left, right, shoot.
쌤이 되게 중요해.
There we go, perfect! Woo! Here we go, go! No, I can't hear you! I can't hear you! Dashi. Here we go. There we go, better. Is it hard to talk, think, and shoot? Some of you are like, okay. It's difficult, okay? But in basketball, you have to learn to do everything at the same time, okay? You practice, you will get better, okay? Remember, left, right, shoot. Everybody? Left, right, shoot. Okay. And left hand? Right, left, shoot. Good. All right, always remember, like, right, left, shoot. Good. Power, 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 power. All right. How much more do you want?
You want more?
You want more or two?
No.
Are you doing this? Let's do this. The big kids, let's practice shooting. All right. Big kids, small kids. All right. Okay.
자, 그러면 스몰 퀴즈 절로 하시고요. 네, 놓으시고요. 여기서 패스 받으면 페일 받으면 해보세요.
You can't say.
가라고. 빨리 가. 빨리 가. 왜 돼? 아니야. 가라고. 가. 이제 이 나이를 가. 이 나이를 가. 자, 프리덤을 하겠어요. 여기서
Right here.
옆으로.
And then we shoot.
옆으로.
And just straight.
옆으로 쓰세요.
And then you go
자,
left.
손을 주세요. 손 바닥에 놓고 드랍하고
Here. Shoot.
라이브
Okay.
사이드
Power.
옆에
Toes.
이게 프리드로 라인이야. 이 옆에 스텝 여기 옆에 저쪽으로 가야죠. 볼 바닥에 놓으세요. 원핸드 슛 배울 거야. 다리 어깨 말고 12